Today we're going to take a quick look at these two different products, but they kind of go hand in hand together, especially if you want remote access to your computer. The company did send these over and compensate me to make this video, and I've had a lot of fun kind of configuring these together. So let me go through it and show you what comes in the box, or boxes, I should say, and then I'll show you kind of how I've been using it. So first of all, you do have the Comet PoE remote KVM switch, and so that is this device here. So it comes with the device itself. It comes with an HDMI cable, comes with a USB-C cable, and then it also comes with USB A to C, and then the Ethernet cable. So kind of all this stuff comes together. A yellow cable's mine, but they did send you one if you need it. So what the idea here is, and actually how it works, is you plug your, say, your office computer into this device. So we're going to take my computer HDMI out into here, and then we're going to plug this into the USB-C port. And then this little dongle here is for an accessory. In this case, we have the Fingerbot, which is the second product that's in this video. That is the Fingerbot, and this is designed, it has some 3M tape on the bottom, and that's designed to put near your keyboard. If you have a laptop, you can actually mount it onto here and then clamp that onto your laptop. And then this little finger will come out and turn on the power button. So if you're remote, maybe you're working, you're on vacation, or you're out of town or something, but you need access to your office device, office computer, you can use this on a laptop. You can use this on your tower or whatever, any kind of computer, just as long as this little finger can get down and touch the button. So there's a little bit of configuration that's going on here. One thing you have to have is a PoE switch. So I actually have a PoE switch that you can't see off camera that's running into here, and that's giving power and everything to there. Now there is a 5-volt 2 amp here as well, but you do need the internet to be able to connect to your network. And so this is connected to my office network, and then I'm using a different network on my phone. And just for purposes of what Amazon allows and doesn't allow to show, I can't show you all the settings here, but basically this program and following the instructions that come with it give me access, remote access to my computer through this device, through another laptop, or in this case, I'm just using the web browser on my phone. But the cool thing is that I've enabled this little Fingerbot to be used. So I have this on my screen, and it just says Fingerbot, and then I can hit the press button, and this is an accessory, and then you'll see that little finger come out. And so that would, if I had this mounted near my power button, that would hit the power button. So basically this box here is making sure my computer and everything is connected to the network. And then this HDMI cable is actually bringing the video feed from my computer into this system, and that way I can see it on my external device. And the same with this USB-C here is bringing in the controls, like the mouse, the keyboard, and I can even do a virtual mouse and virtual keyboard from this. Now they do have an app that you can download for a Mac or a Windows machine. I don't think they have one that works on an iOS device. I'm actually just using a web browser here, and I can go back and see my screen on there, and I can go through and use the keyboard and everything that's on here. But ideally, you'd use a whole different laptop or something that you have, full access to those apps. But that is it. That's what this thing does. Pretty neat. I don't think I've ever used one before. And then I was just, setting it up, and I was going, oh, wow, this is pretty cool. And probably we'll just leave it right here so I can have access to my office computer and my network, when I need it. So if that's something that you need, then this might be a system for you. And I would recommend the Fingerbot too. I think this is a pretty cool device. You can just, once again, mount it near your power button, and then on your system, just press the press button, and there it goes. And you can adjust the pressure and everything inside of here. And just real quick, while I'm showing you the products, this does open up, and this is where that little dongle that I have plugged into here comes from. And so you can also do test pressing like through here, and just press this button manually, and it tells you all the stuff there in the box. So pretty cool little setup. Definitely would recommend this Duo if you need remote access to your other devices. Hope this helps.